Are you tired of spending too much on food delivery services? Do you want to enjoy healthy, delicious, and affordable meals without breaking the bank? Well, we've got just the solution for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock amazing Dinnerly coupon codes, promo codes, and discounts that will save you money on every order. Step 1. The journey to incredible savings starts by visiting promosaver.net, or you can simply click the link in the description or comments section of this video. It's that easy. Step 2. Once you're on the website, you'll find a list of the latest and most exclusive Dinnerly promo codes. Browse through the options and pick the discount that fits your needs the best. Whether you're a first-time customer looking for a special deal or a loyal Dinnerly fan hoping to get more value on your next order, you'll find a perfect code here. Step 3. After you've chosen your code, head over to Dinnerly's website and start filling up your cart with delicious meal options. Once you're ready to check out, simply apply your chosen promo code at the payment screen. It's quick and easy, just a few clicks and you're good to go. Watch as your total drops instantly, giving you the chance to enjoy Dinnerly's fresh, pre-portioned meals at an unbeatable price. Trust me, your taste buds and your wallet will thank you for it. Click the link now and start saving with Dinnerly.